Neil Weber with Heckler at InfoComm 2026, and this is the Heckler Classroom Credenza Mark II. So, the beauty is that it's a credenza that houses gear in a way that keeps it accessible in the room. But it also can double as a teacher's workstation because we give you the ability to use our console inserts, which have become very popular with our lectern, that manages any number of different technology. It's basically whatever you want your instructors to have access to, whether it's transmitter chargers or simple IOs or even touch panels. We have upwards of 30 different choices to choose from that can go into these console inserts. Now it also comes with this tray that is a laptop tray, or it can also be a tablet tray as well. So again, a place for the instructor to work. Now, the real beauty though is behind this metal fabric wrapped panel where you can store all the gear. So the panel comes off and it reveals 8 total rack spaces, 4 and 4. So now you can have a proper power distribution piece. You can put a switcher in there. Anything else that you need out of sight, but you also need accessible. Now that cover will also lock in place, so if you have anything that you're concerned about, the lock will keep people and prying hands out. We also have provisions for 80mm fans. There's quantity of 4 on them, so if you have something that's cranking out a lot of heat, then you simply engage the fans and off you go. So this is the Heckler Classroom Credenza Mark II. You can always find out about this and more Heckler products at heckler.com.